this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Scrap the Boys, where we take the challenge, and the challenge for the month of January was to scrapbook multiple photos of the boys in your life. So obviously this is still one of them. I am still trying to get through. This is the stack of photos that we did during our trip. And obviously, I am still racking those out. It'll probably be all the way through the month of January, since this is going up in the beginning of January. So, I'm also following along with day number 9 of the Scrap Squad, the 12 Days of Christmas Scrap Lifts. I've explained it before, where I am going through and trying to hit up all 12 of those scrap lifts with the photos that I have. So I am using my Vicky Bouton collection. I kind of had an idea. I will link the photo up above as well. So let's see what I can do. All right, so here I go. I am going to take this grayish colored paper background. It is pretty white. It's got some little, like, it looks like wood grain, but it's like a white wash. And then I am going to layer it up just like the photo that you have up in the corner. So just remember, this is for Scrap the Boys. The challenge for the month of January is to have multi-layout photos and have all of those fun particular layouts of just the boys. And what I did is that, like I stated in the little bit of blurb before this, I have taken a couple of the photos of my husband. When we go on trips, it's easier to get just layouts of or just like photos of just my husband, because Kaylin's not there or the dog's not with us. And it's easier for me to, get photos of just Josh versus going on a family trip or bringing the dog with. It's always got, the dogs in there, or Kaylin's in the photos with dad, or, something like that. So here I am going to back the middle photo up, and then the other ones are going to tuck underneath. Now, I know in the sketch or the layout that you see up above, there is a longer photo and then 2 smaller sections on the sides where they put the layout. So I am going to keep it kind of on that top part to look like this. And what I mean by that is that I am placing these photos correctly on the layout that I want. And then on top of it, I'm going to add tags that are in this collection. Now, this collection, you will see that a couple days ago, I talked about how I did, or how I am going to use How to Kill a Kit with Style. And this is the collection that's in there. However, this layout I had to make before I shot my How to Kill a Kit with Style. So there are some things that are not in that in that video that you'll see here due to that fact, but it's the same kit. I'm just going to try to figure out how to nestle down below on this section, because I really want to use this title of Dear Santa Define Good. Because let me tell you, my husband, as much as he is, excuse me, he definitely, as much as he thinks he's as good as he is, there is definitely some times that I'm like, hon, you're pretty crude. But, that's men, and some days you just got to work with it. And that's where I'm at on that. So I thought it was a really good pun to do Dear Santa Define Good, and I have him in 3 of these photos. I do stop the camera for a hot second to try to figure out what I want to do with these tags, because there are the holes. And then I do come back and I decide I am going to get out gold and silver and kind of do a tie on one, and then the other one's going to have extra string. So you'll see there, and then I bring both of them together on the Holly Jolly one, because here comes another pun. Holly Jolly is definitely not my husband, but it works out well in the regards of, the whole pun and the situation that I'm rolling with on this.
So I really like how this layout turned out. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I am working towards my 3,000 or my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I know I'm only at 3,200, but I definitely would love to have you as my subscriber. I am definitely going to be releasing 2 to 3 times a week. I have virtual crops in my group on Facebook. I have sketchbooks that are coming out. All of that information will be linked down below, along with the website to Scrap the Boys. And there you can get tons of challenges, tons of inspiration on how to use those layouts that are just strictly got boys in it to try to help you try to showcase some of that particular layouts that you may be struggling with. I do absolutely love being part of this team. It really makes me stretch my knowledge because I really got to look for those photos because I didn't realize how much I add myself or my daughter in the photos and not just have my husband. So it's really nice to have some layouts just of my husband versus having, you know, Kaylin in them or myself in them or just the dog. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. All of the information will be linked down below. Make sure that you also go ahead and check out Scrap the Boys and then the Scrap Squad. That will all be linked down there as well. I'm going to let you round out with this. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.